I don't want y'all to buy something that I'm not even satisfied with.
I was chilling with a 10,
Welcome back, guys, to Liyahs Nails. In today's video, I will be doing a product review over Nail Addict. Now, they shipped me out. As you can see, they do not play about their packaging. They gonna make sure these nail bottles do not get damaged. I will be doing a couple nail designs using their products over the next couple days on my channel. So if you want to see more nail designs using Nail Addict, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe. Offer Afterpay. So if you don't know what that is, it's basically like a buy now, pay later type of thing. This total is $70, right? You probably have to pay $18 or $20 for your first payment. And then after that, you'll have payments every 2 weeks. Really love how much nail polish you will get. Like, I'm just gonna open this so y'all can see. You get, the bottle is full, like it's filled up to the top, and I really like that. Their nail polish are vegan free and cruelty free products, so that just means it doesn't have all the chemicals that the ones in the store typically have or usually have. But yeah, like I said, I really like this. And if you want to make a purchase, make sure you use my 45% off coupon using Liyah, which I will put it on the screen. My affiliation link will be in the description below if you do want to make a purchase, but you cannot use it when they have automatic sales on the website. So say if they have a 15% off sale, you cannot use my coupon. You only can use it when they do not have a sale going on. So today's design using their products will be a Playboy nail set. Like I said, I will be doing designs all week using their products. So if you want to see more designs that I do using Nail Addict, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe. But so I will be rating their products this whole video since I've never used their nail polish before. I mean, I've seen a lot of people use it, but I've never used it myself. Theirs is not thick at all. It's pretty light. So while those are dry, I'm gonna talk about a few things. This is a 15 milliliter bottle. Look up the exact price of how much they cost. So if anyone wants these, you will know exactly how much they cost. To be honest with you guys, because I don't want y'all to buy something that I'm not even satisfied with, if you feel me. But yeah, honestly, I cannot smell it. Like, I'm gonna take this out and like smell it, which it has a smell, but it's not a strong smell at all. Like, when I say this smell, it's almost no smell. Like, I only smelled it when I literally put the nails up to my face. Like, which right now they do have a 40% off your first order. Okay, well, I added, it's actually $19.35. So I'm add that to my cart. Let's see what the total of these will be with my discount. Your Beauty is also $19.95. I believe all of the solid color ones are the same price, if I'm not mistaken. The next one, Sisters Before Misters. Yeah, it's also $19.95. The next one is I cannot pronounce this right, and I don't want to mispronounce it. Yeah, it's also $19.95. So this one reminds me of like a midnight blue type of thing. This one is Second Chance. Actually sold out. Sadly, Second Chance is sold out, but with these four, I'm going to see how much it will cost. Okay, so right now it's $79.80. My discount, that took off $35.91. So basically, you could get all four of these bottles for $49.89. That's crazy, because the total before that was $79.80, and I just brought it all the way $35, basically $36 off. Wow. So yeah, like I said, guys, I really like them, and they also have shop now and pay later, which, like I said before, afterpay.